Today we're going to show you an alternative to the chemical-filled fabric softeners you can buy in the stores. And all you need to use in place of this is white vinegar. So this really isn't even a recipe at all, it's just a one ingredient replacement. And vinegar is really great because, of course, there's no added chemicals, nothing that's going to cling to your fabric, and it also softens your clothes. Instead of adding a coating, kind of like a fabric softener would that you'd buy in the store, what this actually does is it removes soap buildup and other buildups from like lotions you wear on your skin that get onto your clothes and different things. So it removes this buildup, making your clothes feel softer and restoring them to their natural fabric feel. So to use it, all you do is add a 1/4 cup per load. So you'd add it to the fabric softener spot, or you can add it to a washer ball if you don't have the fabric softener spot on your washer. You also have the option of adding essential oils. So we recommend 25 drops of oils per cup of vinegar, and you can just store this all into a jar and then pour into your washer when you need it. And these add a nice scent, but the recipe will work without them. And that is all you need to do.